Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and today we have Happy Mail from Teresa in Pennsylvania. Let's see what we got. Alright, so as you noticed in the last video, yes, I went back to my original channel name of Leslie's Living Room. You can email me at leslieslivingroom@gmail.com. I still have my Living Loopy with Leslie Gmail account active in case I have anything there until everybody gets used to going back. I know, I'm sorry. It just never felt right. I thought it was fun. But then it was like, meh, it just doesn't feel right. Leslie's Living Room feels right to me. We don't know. All right, let's do things that are real fun, like open up this package. What shall we find to our wandering eyes? But 8 little wipes. How about that? I haven't been to the dollar store. I haven't been shopping, really, in months. And I know the dollar store has a lot of good stuff coming up, and I've missed it all. On-the-go wipes enriched with aloe vera, chamomile, and vitamin E. Well, these are the precious, most precious. Thank you very much. Love those. Can I use these type of wipes on, a lot of people keep wipes in their craft room. And I don't know what we're allowed to wipe with wipes in our craft room. Can we wipe stamps off with this kind of wipe? Or do we need water and soap only? What are we doing? Can somebody tell me what we do with the wipes in the craft room? Because if I could use these and not have to get up and manually wash and soap and wash and do all that, that'd be real great. Thank you. All right. Let's just pull all of this out. Yep, we got a little something that got away. Oh, look at how cute this is. It's a Queen of Hearts card. That is adorable. And she has this pretty paper on this side. Ooh, on this side. She has some on this side. That's cool. Then we have, I believe it is a bag book filled with goodies. Let's see. Yep. Okay. These are adorable. I think those are the ones that were at the dollar store. I didn't pick them up. Why didn't I? I don't know. Uh-oh, we got goodies in this side. Hold on. Let's move all this stuff over. Maybe that's where that little piece came out of. One of these. Put her in the back. Alright, so now we have this adorable. Let me get this light to not be directly on it. Thank you. Okay, well that didn't help. And it says, "To my sweetheart." And it's a little tag, and it's adorable. If anybody out there has a YouTube channel and you watch me, let me know if you would like to collaborate on my March Madness challenge. If you do, email me at leslieslivingroom@gmail.com and let me know that you would like to collaborate with me, and I'll share the details, and you can tell me if it's something you want to do, or you can, we can work together and come up with something. What we doing? What we doing, ladies? Come on. Let's work together here. We all trying to grow our YouTube channels. Let's go. Alrighty then. Alright. For you, side A. That's adorable. Absolutely. Who remembers sticking the pencil in there and winding it back up? Okay, so that was in pocket number 1. This is like a different kind of pocket letter, I guess you could say. Yummy ice cream and cakes. Oop, oop, oop. Pocket number 2. That might be where the lady came from. Queen of Hearts. We'll put her in there. These are all adorable. Pocket number 3. We have You Rock, Valentine. And we have another tag. That's cute. Love those. Those are all going into my Valentine's box. And then in the last one we have a game console. And it says, "You've got game, Valentine." I could give that to my son. This is very adorable, and you did an excellent job, Teresa. I really enjoyed that. Thank you. Then it looks like we have a loaded pocket. I love a loaded pocket, and it's a double-sided loaded pocket. And we have a cute little charm. It's got a pink bow. It's got places for keychain. This is adorable. Absolutely adorable. So let's take everything out of this side. Look at how you did that. What a great job. Mirror, mirror on the wall with the little kissy lips that are mirrors. Do they have a plastic coating on them? I think they do. Yeah, they do. Aw, stop it. Now we're going to really get them to shine. Yeah, baby. That's amazing. Love that. Valentine greetings. Love this ribbon. This is adorable. What a great job. I see. You took a piece of paper and folded it in half, and on the front you made one pocket, and on the back you made another pocket. This is amazing. Don't taco about it. Oh, hold on. Taco, taco, taco. Where's my taco sign? I think I left it downstairs. You are spectacular. You can't make everyone happy. You're not a taco. Smiley face. You make me smile, Valentine. These are fabulous. You're soy awesome. With some sushi. Good for one, takeout night. The details signed. That's fun. Oh, look what she made. Look what she made. Look what she made. With washi. And then she painted over the surface and put a couple of these really pretty stickers on it. That's adorable. What a great job. Thank you. Made with love. Did you make this bag too? Because, oh, this is on the inside, outside. Oh, look, it got damaged a little bit. Whee. Okay, so we have this beautiful tag that she made. Nice and sturdy on cardstock. That's pretty. Washi around the edges. Love that. Then we have some pretty stickers. These are super fun. And then we have your soy awesome. That is fabulous. Thank you so much, Teresa. I really love all of that. And I'm going to save it all and use all of this stuff to make my stuff next year. Look what I got. Look what she made me, y'all. She made me a beaded pin. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Teresa. Hold on. There's a way to open it. Okay. There we go. Hold on. Let's see what we can write to Teresa here. Oh yeah, we have to find paper. How do you not have paper in a craft room? We don't know. Okay. It just happens. Lord have mercy. I don't write in cursive anymore. I can write my name, but yeah, see, I don't do all that. I just kind of say, nice writing pen, love it. Thank you so much, Teresa. I love it. It's going in my little jar of beaded things. I have my little beaded spoon. I have one here and one over there for when I want to change colors. Put him there. I just have a couple of little tools here. That doesn't go here. This really doesn't go in there. My special tools go in here. My tweezers are supposed to be in here. And my small scissors. And my letter opener that I got from Coop's Place. I love this thing. It's so awesome. Yay! Okay, I think I'm going to start a collection of all the beaded things I get. That's going to be fun. Alright, then we have this precious little pen. We need to write on that. Hold on. Nope, gotta pop it off. Adorable. Adorable. He will get put up there. Okay, thank you, Teresa. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, wait, oh, wait. Okay. Maybe the pen goes with this. Is this a journal? Could it be? It is. Oh, my goodness. I cannot wait. I'm going to take this to work because I'm always looking for little things to write notes on, and I don't always need to write them on my flippin' sticky notes. So I think that's what I'm going to do with this. And my precious little pen. I just think that's what we're going to do. Thank you, Teresa. I'm going to put that over there to remember to take that to work tomorrow. Oh, here's the piece. Another piece. I'm sweet on you. Adorable. Okay. Then we have this, which we saved the packaging because these bags are fabulous. I need to order some off of Amazon, but then a part of me is like, well, I don't want the ones everybody's choosing. So I got to find my own unique style. I kind of like just clear packaging and then putting a bunch of random fluffies and stuff spilling out of it. Oh, Lord. Have I ever told y'all my obsession with palm trees? I love palm trees. I've always wanted one in my front yard. Maybe when I retire, I'll move to South Carolina. Live on the beach. The feather is beautiful. These are stickers, by the way. A beautiful butterfly. He's pretty. Suntan lotion. This will be cute for summer spreads in my planner. Precious pup. Love the pups. Pineapple. Love pineapple. And be happy. Those are super fun. Thank you. Can't wait to use all those in my planner. That's going to be super fun. All right. Okay, let's see if Leslie is intelligent enough to get it back in. Why do I want it back in there? I want to put it with my stickers. Hi, my name is Leslie. Sometimes I'm special. You never know. Alright, we'll put that over there. And then here we have a mini pocket letter. This is just adorable. I didn't know we could do mini ones. Learn something new every day. Sending you big pugs, Valentine. You hold a special spot in my heart. That's adorable. Let's be friends forever. Happy Valentine's Day. What's this? What are these, preciousness? What is this little preciousness in this adorable little bag? What are these that I must have in my... Wait. Do they shake? Hold on. Okay, I think it moves, maybe. But I'm real old, real blind. But they're little turtles. Hold on, I'm trying. Come on. Focus. It's a little turtle. A little glass turtle. And he's the most precious thing I've ever seen in my life. Lord, he's going to go right over here and look up at me. And then he's got to have his friend. He's got a little friend here. So go put that. Teresa, this is fabulous. I love all of this. This is very, very fun. And I super, super, super appreciate this. I appreciate you. And I'm so glad that you are a part of my channel. And when my March Madness challenge is figured out fully, I'm going to hopefully put it up. Hopefully it'll be in the next week or so. And we can start working on that. And I think you guys will have a lot of fun with that. Alright guys, thanks so much for joining me for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching me open this fabulous friend mail from Teresa. Make sure to leave Teresa some nice comments down below and let her know how awesome all of these little stickers and things are that she has gifted me, that I cannot even stand the cuteness. If you haven't, hit subscribe, turn on that bell so you're notified every time I upload. Hype this video, give it a like, share it with your friends. Let's grow this channel. My next goal is 3,000. Maybe you could be the one to get me to 3,000. I don't know. Hit subscribe. Let's see what happens. And have a party, y'all. Alright guys, thanks so much for joining me. Hit subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you real soon in my next one. Bye.